Assalamu alaikum all. I am Aisha Ahmed and you are watching Aisha Ahmed Arts. As you all know that PSL season is going on, so I decided to make a video on that topic and subject also. So in this video I am drawing a cricket stadium. The materials which I am using are HB pencil, a black pointer or pen and a black marker. In the first step, I am drawing a straight line in 1/4 of paper. Then I am drawing 2 more lines below the upper one. Then I am drawing an circle shape below the upper all 3 lines. Then I am making both upper 2 lines curves from the end of the edges. After that, I am drawing small lines in the edges of the circle to make the look of enclosures. I am making some small squares for advertisement boards and lights. Then I am using black marker and complete all sketch by black marker. As you can see, I draw a circle in the center and made 2 squares or pitches. In crotches area, I draw more lines for setting of people and draw dots for making people. These dots will make the look of crowd. Then I draw lights on the top of the stadium. After that, I fill the colors in all sketch. I hope you will like this drawing. I also post my artwork on my Instagram account. I have given the link of my Instagram account in the description. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and interesting artwork. We will meet in the next video. Keep in touch with my channel. Thanks for watching.